Hello, I'm Camille and welcome to this new Madlinska Odaya. Jan is making photography portrait on glass, the first photography process. Julia went to discover his work.
Today I will work on the collodion process, which is like this. And if you see, it's a glass, and it acts like a negative. And you have something dark. You put it on, it turns into a positive like this. Just you can see. It's actually a very big portrait. If you look at normal photography, where you have your camera has a sensor of 35 millimeters, which is like this, and my small photo is like this. So you can imagine that the quality is much greater. This lens was made in 1867 in Paris, à Hermagui, which is a really important company which made these lenses. It's actually the beginning of photography in a way, because it's really simple. The machine itself.
Il cherche aussi l'équipement.
Ouais, l'équipement.
L'équipement sur les sites français. Alors, c'est un
Leboncoin.
Mais normalement, les gens de Leboncoin, ils ne répondent pas. Pourquoi? Parce qu'on est de Slovénie, on croit. Parce qu'on est loin. Je ne comprends pas.
Okay. Now, will you sit down?
Yes.
It's a very long process. So there's a section right there.
Mes cheveux, c'est pas.
Non, mais c'est parfait comme ça. Oui, et toi, les yeux bleus.
Ah, mais ça, on ne va pas voir au noir et blanc.
Non, mais c'est très beau avec collodion de faire la photographie des gens avec des yeux bleus.
Ah ouais.
Can you lean?
How should I lean?
Like this, okay. So it's comfortable for you.
Now I'm leaning now.
It's installation now. On the video, you're like a ghost. Pas de visage, un blanc chose à cause de la lumière.
In Paris, there's a person who has a studio and shoots photographs like this, and his prices are from 100 to 100 upwards. So, but here you just can't do it. It's a different city. You just can't put the same price. Okay, we're set. We can go into the dark room.
A to nie fotograficie z maluczkę.
We put the glass with the collodion into the silver matrix for 3 minutes, and in the meanwhile we can prepare the developer. You have to make all chemicals by yourself. With sugar you change the viscosity, you change how liquid the liquid is.
But where did you learn all of this?
From old manuals. Then I met a friend who's a master at these old processes, and he taught me a lot. There's also a community on Facebook of people who do collodion photography, the collodion bastards, yeah. When I started, you could hardly get any info.
When did you start?
5-6 years ago, yeah. And I had a break in the meantime because I didn't have any room in Ljubljana. At first I was at Rock, which is an alternative place for things like that. So this is now sensitive to light. And you put it on the side. This one, a bit more
troszkę, nie?
Nie, możliwe.
No?
Nie.
A kobyśmy jakoś uszczęśliwą.
Nie. Okay, we're going out into the light.
Give me the camera.
I'm now putting in the cassette with the glass. 3, 2, 1. That's it.
Okay.
No bam, not very boring. Okay,
For the
we go
effect.
into the darkroom now. We will start to see the image slowly appear, hopefully.
Why it's not always working?
Yeah, sometimes.
Oh, but it's working. The most beautiful moment for me.
With some detail in the hair, and then we will stop. Now we have something in between, which is not a negative and not a positive. We'll put it in the fixer. And it's slowly eating the white areas where the silver didn't do anything.
Are you satisfied?
I am satisfied. I'm a bit sorry that I put this light too close to the face because it's a bit too bright in the eyes in here. I should have put it a few feet away, perhaps. It's always best to first do a test exposure to see how the light reacts, how the collodion is doing today, because every day it's a bit different because it gets old, and when the collodion gets older it becomes more contrasty, but slower, and you never really know where you're with the collodion. But yeah, I think it's nice. I have to put it into the cleaning pad. In 30 years, something could happen to the image, and this is a way to prevent it, because these images, apart from being on glass, which is fragile, are still today very well preserved, and even though they are 150, 170 years old, which is quite incredible if you look at images made 30 years ago, 40 years ago, which are starting to change colors and are made on quality paper. It's very archival, if you don't break the glass, actually. Ma adesso Tatiana ti abbiamo comprato
Yeah, sono full.
Yeah, sopra quello poco. So ci sta. I have to lacquer it,
Okay.
and then I will send it to you, to Krško, okay?
Okay.
Actually, we
Because-
met for the projection.
Okay. Oh, then, yeah.
She come to-
Because I
come
have
to
to put the lacquer, and then it has to sit a few days. That's why I have them on my bed, because they were lacquered yesterday, and I have to move them around the flat. So
Okay.
it dries out, and then I'll give it to you with pleasure. Avec
Thank
plaisir.
you.
Avec plaisir.
Oui.
Merci, Jeanne.
De rien.
The 19th of March, there was the first international Indian flash mob. We went to film this dynamic group in Ljubljana. Enjoy and let's dance.
On the right side of the square.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please?
फिल्में सिर्फ 3 चीजों से चलती हैं: एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट।
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please?
Yes, baby. Yeah, this one or the one behind it for this.
गोरिया रे छोरिया रे गोरिया रे छोरिया रे मेरा जलवा देखा तो दिल हुआ मिलखा बड़ी तेज भागे रे मनमा इमोशन जागे रे मनमा इमोशन जागे मनमा इमोशन जागे रे मनमा इमोशन जागे दिल जगह से हिल गया रे मनमा इमोशन जागे मनमा इमोशन जागे रे मनमा इमोशन जागे तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है बेटा सेल्फी ले ले रे चल बेटा सेल्फी ले ले रे चल बेटा सेल्फी ले ले
Wait, smile.
मिलनी थी मिली एक बारी से कोई लड़की तुम्हारी बड़ी न यारो बड़ी लाइन मारी अब लग रहा है ये लड़की अटकली सटकली ओ थोड़ी सटकली बदले तो किस्मत के ये तारे सटकली रे सटकली सकल अकल सटकली बाबा जी बाबा जी बाबा
So this is directly after the flash mob in Slovenia. Of course, all of us were a little nervous, I guess, but especially with technical issues and all things going wrong the last minute. But of course, with this energy, I think we created something really beautiful.
The international flash mob, actually it was unique because there were 10 countries participating and the choreography was the same, the songs were the same and exactly at the same time. So, you know, it's not really about India or Slovenia. It's about the international, people coming together for the love of just one thing, that's dance.
We loved it. Actually, I took off for this performance today. And for 5 minutes, we went back to India. So we enjoyed a lot. And my son, he was just dancing with them.
I'm really happy to participate in this flash mob, and I can say that it was really great. Even starting from rehearsals, I got so many positive energy, and really thanks to the organizers. I'm really satisfied.
We've been practicing for like 2 to 3 weeks. So we used to meet on weekends basically for the practice and the rehearsals. So pretty much it. We had a good bunch of people who picked up really fast. So yeah, that was really cool.
I'm really glad, and I can't wait to see all the feedback from other countries. But I'm sure it was really successful there as well. And yeah, we're just leaving with really positive spirits, I guess.
Now, let's see what Slovenian women think about International Women's Day.
International Women's Day is really important also in Slovenia as in worldwide, because it's a day when we think about women and feminism and everything like that. What chances do we have if we compare ourselves to men?
Je pa tako, da v družini je pa res, da si moški in ženska že kar drugače delita delo, oziroma da tudi moški dela, opravlja dela in naloge, ki so bile včasih samo na ženskih ramenih.
Ne vem, nekateri moški rečejo, da se bojo oni morali začeti boriti za enakopravnost. To se mi sicer ne zdi realno, da to ni res. Ne vem, no.
And I don't believe in roses and things like that. I think that's just commercial and commercialized, and so people earn a lot of money on that day.
It's an opportunity that I don't know, maybe our husbands think about us, bring us some roses or chocolate or something like that. It's I don't know. It's something special for us. What I would like to change here is that women would have more chances to get a job, because nowadays it's really hard for them, because a lot of people don't want to employ women because they don't want them to go to maternity for I don't know, they aren't in a job for 1 year, and that's why they don't want to employ them. Pay for your work. This is one very big difference between men's and women's in work.
I read about women across the world that are not equal, and I think that it's more important for them to change, especially in the third world, as we said.
Probably still that some jobs are more for men than women, like police officers or politics or army, things like that. So if a woman is interested in doing that, why not? Yeah, of course we're not physically as fit as men, but we have other qualities, I guess.
I really believe that employment for women is the real issue, and the payment for women, and I don't know. I don't think that women in business get enough respect for doing the same job as men do. That's what I would like to change.
Jaz bi spremenila to, da bi več žensk bile v politiki, da bi zastopale tudi te človeške pravice, ne samo moški, da bi si izborile tudi kaj več kvalitetnejše službe in delale tudi stvari, ki jih počnejo moški.
To continue, let's enter in Urosh's house and discover his specific rhythm of life.
Smells good, huh? This is how to be professionally unemployed. Drinking coffee, eating cookies on veranda. Maybe I'm not really the person to be 8 hours in some job, but I can adjust also. But I have also many other things to do, like working on project, music, everything. So it's so I don't ever feel unemployed. So I have always something to do. I feel like an artist more than regular professional, whatever. I started to play music. I was 14 actually. But everybody around me, other colleagues and friends, were 10 years older than me. I was the kid. And now people from my age are, have like serious jobs, families, and I meet mostly young people now. I think that's why I feel always young. Now I feel a bit old, about 27 already. I had to make a decision to move away from the flat I was before. It was big flat in block. So the practical reason was that it's much more cheaper living like this. Expenses in the big flat are quite big. So, but the main reason was that I wanted to live near the nature, that I see green around when I come out of the house. So, if you're in the town, you're all the time in some concrete environment. Closing. Shouldn't be too much serious about this being unemployed. It's for everybody is this depressing and scaring, but no, life is not all about it. So.
Do you wonder where is the love? Let's try to find an answer with Badil, the main character of this short movie.
À soi, maman.
Au revoir, mon chéri. Fais bien attention sur la route.
Promis, je t'aime, maman. Bonjour, madame Necbourg, comment allez-vous?
Ça va, merci.
prochain virage, tournez à droite.
Mais aidez-moi, bon sang!
Ah, mais c'est pas vrai, tu pourrais faire gaffe quand même.
Désolé.
Bah, c'est pas grave.
On s'est déjà croisés quelque part?
Bah, je sais pas, peut-être.
Six o'clock in the morning, I just get into bed.
Kindergarten in Kerinov-Gorum opened their door to us. Let's take a look.
Nej. Lina.
Claudia Hakaradukhe. A tu, Claudia, prima Hakaradukhe?
Raduka.
Quando volti di prijateljica? Claudia je tri, a tri hli pare bejk. Čum pevaj kjelen skupa. Mudhala mangi kana sa špien vrtici.
Kjelam.
Kjelen, špien još.
Kakid se peče.
Tepe kjelen na je rajša.
Mulčki.
I šutjeri njosh do vrtice. Jer je ka gjane na tle, onda gjana na stupini bogu starši. Helena, na? Onda mu ne nalači Helena. Je, džike.
Ja, da doje kamara.
Joke. Ti kakaj imaš tu minaš, mu ćeš joke. Pita li imaš kaj diabolo? Hak, joke, hak jede, kod ne pikjer, opalađite. Joke, vjerno da ti samo joke za jele tjere. Džavle kjeri kada muzika. Ajde. Jasmina na knjašu kad postavim.
Roža beštiš.
Roža in še još kješ tu Rebeka.
Roža tu.
Duj rože kješ. I pro ime napisnjaš, na?
I bešto.
Duj žene kjede rože i ime džoke.
Kako?
Okej. Džoke, pridno bi njene. Amen, kad dža mođe.
je to, se vidimo kmalu.